power outages are possible.
Could have a marine warning, which hopefully the everything goes off for the right thing this time.
Locations impacted include
And not a marine warning when it's an SVR.
Charlestown, Warwick,
Let's go off an
Lake,
SVR when it's a
Barksdale,
marine warning.
Bohemia's Mills, Andorra, Brantwood, Pleasant Hill, Cherry Hill, Coyotes, Fair Hill, Glen Westover, Hollywood Beach, Appleton, Glasgow, and Chesapeake City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m.
And then a few
for the
minutes
following
later,
county.
you get a marine warning.
Maryland. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Atchison River to Brooms Island, Maryland. Chandier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodwood Island until 8 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 nautical miles north of Flag Harbor to 11 nautical miles northwest of Brooms Island, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations impacted include Coupled Creek, Down Creek, Drum Point, James Island, Calvert Cliffs, Solomon's Island, and Taylor's Island. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Down Holly says, get me in there. Shut up.
The service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 7:30 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles west of Pea Patch Island, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Fortesk Beach, Sea Breeze, Pea Patch Island, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, John Show Light, and Reedy Point. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.
Dang.
Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm.
No. Okay.
The affected areas were Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland.